been a week since they saw the A4 and they're already asking.
Maxed out. Wow.
A little quarterly,
sure.
quarterly update.
Quarterly update. All right. Start here. It is June after all. Racing season, well, it started like a month ago, a little over a month ago. S3 had some issues after I raced it last year. We're making a little video on track prep this year, and we go over kind of what happened with this and what I just had to fix. And it seems to be going good now. Ready for the track. We were gonna take it tomorrow, but it's probably gonna rain. She's good, she's ready to hit the track again. And I'm excited to see what it can do this year.
If you guys want to see this car more, you have to let us know.
Okay, on to something new. 3-liter turbo. But yeah, we just picked this up last week. Not much to say about it right now. ECU out of it. Figure out the ECU first and then get to modding. Super excited about this one. Really nice color, turbo blue. S4, if you didn't put that together yet. Everybody was super stoked about the IS20 stuff, but now it has an IS38. And an upgraded intercooler. So dyno is just a little bit of on a backlog right now, but this is one of the next cars to get back onto the dyno, and hopefully we can have some exciting IS38 stuff for you very soon. White Golf 1.8T. Colton wants to drive this car.
I want to drive
So
this.
if you guys want to see some POV footage of the 1.8T ripping on the street, let us know in the comments.
Let me drive it.
Dying.
I want to drive it.
He's dying to drive it. Get him in the
Please.
driver's seat. Get him in the driver's seat and
Motivation.
do some POV stuff. R8, sitting here with the rear bumper still off of it. It's exactly the same as it was last time you saw it. That's just leaking horsepower, dude. Yeah, there's a couple things to address on the R8. One being the exhaust, two being a bit of an oil leak. We just gotta take care of the backlog of other stuff we have first. This one doesn't take a huge priority for us. It's very cool, but yeah, it does tend to stay dormant a little more than the other cars. It's coming out very soon. GLI.
Oh.
Check it out. Check it out. It's a GLI with blue trim.
Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen the blue yet.
Blue trim. Blue trim, blue brakes.
We did the swanvinyl.com blue overlay on all the red parts there, and then we painted the calipers, and it's officially TuneZilla themes.
If you're following along the series on that car, I just finished up stage 2. So now we're gonna go stage 3 with the TC600, shoot for 500 horsepower. We've done it before with the GTI, but we are kind of going through everything again. We just finished up the stage 293 today. So it's gonna get pulled off, gonna get MPI, it's gonna get the TC600, low pressure pump. And then yeah, we're gonna shoot for 500 horsepower on this. Probably race it a little bit this year. We'll see. Front wheel drive, but SQ5. We just finished up our latest video on that. This was supposed to hit the track tomorrow as well, but obviously with the rain, we're gonna get postponed on track time. But yeah, that's done. Super fun, super loud, super crazy.
Someone had commented on one of the videos. It was the ASMR video of this car on the dyno, and they thought it was us making the sounds. Can you try it?
It's not gonna happen.
Can you try it?
No.
Just go for it. Here, I'll face the camera this way. Just go for it.
No, because I'll look so stupid.
I'm not filming you. I'm filming the car. Just do it.
This is another one everybody asks about, the B9 A4.
Sam went over briefly in the Audi Cars and Coffee that we reached the limits of the clutches in the DSG.
I had this on the street with the Turbo Concepts turbo, and it was even after upping the clutch pressures, like we were just absolutely roasting them, and I was losing gears, and it was just, I wasn't like breaking the transmission, but I wasn't getting any clutch engagement. So ordered some upgraded clutches for the DL382, and that's what we're in the process of doing right now. So transmission's out, install clutches, transmission back in, hit the track with this bad boy. Yeah. Well, we'll break in the clutches first. It probably takes like 500 kilometers.
With you driving?
Ideally.
Just down the road.
One rip down, one rip back, she's broken in.
Who's that?
Huh? You might be wondering who is this? Young Cameron. Head buried, hard worker, DL382, out of the car, gonna pull the clutch back out of it and put some new clutches in it, but man, this thing is heavy. I'm pretty sure I looked it up and it was like around 250 pounds. Absolute unit. New clutch plates, friction material for Both clutches in the car. And it's gold, dude.
That's first place,
What?
dude. That's
exactly.
a world record.
That's what I was gonna say.
World record plates.
World record clutches for a world record car.
Ooh.
We got a little something over here too. There is another car that we have that people don't know about. And there's another. You may recognize this from the engine that's in the S3. Yes, it's another 3.6 VR6 engine. This one isn't a fresh long block. It's obviously used. We have a really cool plan for this. I'm not gonna get into the details just yet because I'm not sure how far away that is. This engine's still gonna be torn down, rebuilt. Number of other things to order for this particular car that it's going into, but this is just a little teaser, a little something fun that we got coming up. I think that's it.
That's
right?
it, man.
For now. Let me know in the comments. Should I run 5 lug bolts or stick with 3? It's weight savings. Thanks for watching. We'll come back next quarter with another shop update. We'll probably do a lot of racing. Think of it this way. A4, S3, Arch in his SQ5. The GLI is gonna have 500 horsepower. We might as well race that, right? That's 4 cars. That's more cars than we've ever had available to race.
It's gonna be crazy, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
That's it.
see ya.
See ya.